Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn one of the extended result of length of tangents drawn from an external point of a circle. So the statement is if two tangents are drawn to a circle from an external point, then they subtend equal angles at the center. So to prove it, we'll take a circle centered at O and PA and PB are two tangents to the circle. Now we have to prove that here angle AOP is equals to angle BOP. So to prove it, we are going to join OA, OB and OP. Next, what we are going to do is we'll be taking two triangles, triangle PAO and triangle PBO, and we are going to prove it as congruent triangles, as we know that here OA equals to OB as it is a radius, and angle OAP equals to angle OBP, which is 90 degree. As we know, angle between radius and tangent at the point of contact is 90 degree. And in these two triangles, OP is a common side. So we can say that triangle PAO is congruent to triangle PBO by RHS criteria. And since the triangles are congruent, we can say that angle AOP is equals to angle BOP, which are angle subtended by the tangents PA and PB at the center of the circle. And this is how we can prove this statement. Thank you.